Welcome, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. It's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. Every week, I get to meet about 100 brand new Amazon students, people that are wondering, should I sell on Amazon? They're business minded, they're entrepreneurs, they're people like you that are wondering, hey, I want to make some extra money. Is Amazon the right way for me to make some extra money? And a question that all of these people seem to have is, can I sell products that I buy from a Walmart or a Target or a Best Buy? Can I buy those products on clearance at big box stores and then ship them to Amazon and sell them on Amazon? So I want to do a video to talk about arbitrage. That's called arbitrage. Retail arbitrage, online arbitrage. I want to do a quick video talking about arbitrage. But first, let me give you a little bit of background. So 22 years ago, when my wife and I started our first website, we were selling our own brands on our own websites. Fast forward to 2016, I learned how to sell on Amazon, and I learned that you want to sell popular name brands on Amazon. And so back in 2016, one of the ways that you could acquire popular name brands was to go to a Walmart, go to a Target, go to the clearance racks, and buy those products and then ship them to Amazon. But things have changed. So now, if you're wondering, hey, can I sell arbitrage on Amazon? The answer is no, you don't want to sell arbitrage on Amazon. And there's a couple reasons why. So let me go back to 2016. 2016, when you found a popular name brand like Keurig coffee makers, Disney products, Star Wars toys, Mattel toys, millions of popular name brand products, when you found a product that you wanted to sell, you could get that from an authorized supplier in bulk at a discount and ship it to Amazon, or you could go find some of those products at a Walmart, a Target, a Costco, whatever, right? But here's the problem. Back in 2016, Amazon didn't have as many rules. They didn't have all these options where you had to get ungated, unrestricted. You had to get permission to sell all the brands that are selling on Amazon. Now they basically do. And one of the reasons they have those rules is they wanted to get rid of arbitrage. They don't like arbitrage. Amazon doesn't like arbitrage. Now think about it. There's a couple of reasons. If you go into a Walmart and you buy clearance items, that's actually Amazon's competitor, right? So they don't like that. It's their competitor. You're helping out their competitor. Second, you're buying from a clearance rack. You don't know where that product's been. Many of those items in the clearance rack have been bought previously. Someone's returned them to Walmart, gotten their money back, and then Walmart put it back on the shelf, right? So arbitrage is not the method that Amazon wanted to be known for, right? They didn't want people to know that, hey, this product maybe was in a Walmart before I bought it on Amazon. So they made rules that basically make it really near impossible to sell arbitrage. Retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, whichever one. Now, let me come back to the beginning. If you want to sell on Amazon, you want to sell popular name brand products, but the right way to acquire those products is through a supplier, an authorized supplier of that brand. So I'd love to teach you how to find authorized suppliers. I'd love to teach you how to do FBA. I'd love to teach you how to acquire the products the right way, how to get permission to sell those products, to get ungated, how to win sales, win the buy box. Here's what I do. I mentioned I meet about 100 brand new sellers every single week. That's because I'm doing a free training. It's right down there. Click on that link, get registered. I'll be live. It's live. It's 90 minutes long, and I did say free. So the first 60 minutes, I will cover the training. I'll cover step-by-step exactly how to sell on Amazon. Then I want to answer all your questions. So I'll do about a 30-minute question and answer period, so 90 minutes. Again, it's free, it's live. I will cover everything that you need to know to decide if selling on Amazon is right for you. So click on that link. It's free, it's live. Get your seat. I'll see you soon.